high score. So, the club is to have forward picture. So, ang third nato is high. Who's your band? Our third place is
Kanaway.
Barangay
Kanaway.
Mahayahan. And
Wait,
another third place, we have Barangay
Kanaway.
Bangayan. Alright, picture is here. Our third place.
Dira buwis buhay naman tong ija, third drag yapon. Grabe naman ka dito. No? Di gana uy, buwis buhay tong ija. Tanaw.
So we have here Poblacion and Kanaway. As ang supporter sa Kanaway. Ang barangay Poblacion. Very good. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be announcing the second place. So ang mabilin, ang daog.
Poblasyon kami daw gana. Poblasyon.
Babalik ba ang atong place?
Poblasyon ang daw gana. Loto naman na.
Our second place, we have Barangay Kanaway.
Loto na dana, loto.
And we have a back-to-back winner.